Hello. We are walking for Vivid tonight with Sony. We were invited by Sony ZV-Nation to go on a Vivid walk around Barangaroo, so we are starting to check it out. Are you excited for Vivid?
I'm excited to eat food.
They did say they were going to have free food.
Food.
This is the seesaw by the sunrise. You can't really see it. I had to bring the ISO down a little bit so you can actually see the projector because it's massively bright. It's very bright. You can see it on our faces.
We're gonna go seesaw, okay.
And onwards. Realize Studio. Realizing is an experimental design studio in Melbourne exploring how movement, rhythm and momentum can transform public spaces into a shared experience via immersive light and sound works. We're just waiting for the rest of the Sony group to catch up so we can continue on. Lots going on. Isn't he pretty? Always yawning whenever I have the camera out. He's leaving a message.
No, can't do it. They thought it through.
He can't write the message. There's no colon. What were you trying to write?
I was just trying to see if I could change the color of the text.
He's memeing. They're gonna think it's some old person who can't backspace. This is like near the station, I think. Actually, I haven't seen this before. I don't know if it's part of the exhibit or just like the station. Surely the video is. There we go. We are walking through. Alk is disappointed there's no installments along the bottom of like the Botanic Park area. I think they have more up the top, but it's like at the fire kitchen. So not here though. We found fleas. Oh, my camera won't focus. We found fleas. Look at the little fleas go. And the boat in the background. That's cute. There's a rocket ship up ahead and a coat hanger. That means abortions. Why? Mushrooms. Look how cute they are. You gotta do your best Zelda impression of the blood moon rises.
Did she say Link?
I don't know, I thought so, but I also don't know.
Link, the blood moon rises.
Very good. Link, the blood moon rises.
Link, the bread rises.
Oh.
Link, I'm racist.
Jesus. Okay. Oh, I can't see you in the dark. And jump scare. They're looking at us. Sneak past the slumbering parliament of owls in this fun twist on red light, green light. Watch from above. These owls all wake up at random to scan the forest floor. Once they open their eyes, freeze. Will you make it to the tree's inner sanctum, complete with kaleidoscopic surprise? Kitchen for us this year. We're going to a restaurant with Sony afterwards, so we're walking right by the fire kitchen, and it's like dangling a treat in front of some hungry dogs because we hungry. It looks like we have to actually go in because there's no other pathway around. Continuing down to Circular Quay, I think. Oh yeah, gave an Xbox to everyone who attended. We're heading into the tunnel. getting some food now.
My footage is just going to be